Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to create single page application using Retool platform. Retool is an application construction platform that allows you to create a simple or not much single page application without hard skill in web programming. So let's start. I have my company Retool server, so I just log in. Okay, now we see start page. Here you can see other user folders. Let's just go to my folder and select video app. On the right side, you can see panel with components you can use. Bottom panel is the query panel. Here you can create queries or edit existing. Top panel helps you to control your app. And left panel is the component and state explorer. So let's create new component. We just drag component from the right panel. Let's drag the form. Now let's add some inputs to our form. We can drag text, radio input, and select input. Now let's add some functionality to our form. Let's create a simple JS query that will take data from form and returns value as an object. In bottom panel, click plus icon and select JS query. In this query, I want to take data from form and return an object, so let's write a simple code. Here you can refer to component data and use it. Okay, all done. So let's preview our query. Now let's enter some data. So let's text and select options and preview. So data appears. Now let's create a component to display our query data. Just drag JSON Explorer. And when created, it has some hard-coded data we need to delete and put our. And here you can refer to query with double curly braces and the data field. Okay, next, let's set our form to run query on submit. On event submit action trigger query 1. So let's type some different values. And on submit, our data is shown on JSON Explorer component. Next, let's create new component in a query. Just drag the table, delete hard-coded data. Similar to JS query, click plus and select resource query. In resource list, select API resource. Now we need to enter the URI of our request. Let it be projects to fetch all data projects from codebeamer and run query. So as you see, it returns an array of projects. So let's put this data to the table. And that's all I want to show you through the basic components. For more information, you can go to Retool documentation. So let's take a look at my example application. There are 4 pages and first page is the project pages. So here in the table you can see all of the projects on the test codebeamer server. You can simply delete them or navigate to project page on codebeamer. Next, in chart, you can see all of the project trackers grouped by type. And if you click on the bar, you will see trackers of type you select in the table below. If you hit Details button, you will go to codebeamer server project page. On the second page called Trackers in chart, you can see number of trackers in project grouped by tracker types. Let's select project, then select project types, and we will see the information in the chart. Now, if you click on bar, you will be able to see all of the trackers you selected. You can also click on Details button and go to the tracker page. Okay, so next page is the custom chart. In this chart show you how many items have different values of field you chosen. So let's select project, then tracker, then select a field we want to take information. So now we see that our tracker software user storage have 9 items with the status of to do and 3 items with the status of in progress. In the table below you can see items you selected in chart. You can also go to details page and this will open the item page on the codebeamer server. So next, REST page. This page simply shows you server response of the request you created. So let's try it. Select API version, type request URI like projects. Then I need to enter login and password because I'm using unauthorized query. Now we click run button and we are seeing the response information. Another feature of this application is project creation. If you click on this button, model will pop up and let you to create project. Just enter title, description, select format and click create. Okay, now if we go to the project page, we will be able to see our new project. Just sort by ID. And the last project is our new create project. We can also go to the page of the codebeamer server. That's what's all I want to show you. Thanks for watching and have a good day.